punong-puno po ng aksyon yung ating first set. Ang score, 25-22 nakuha ng Army courtesy of Gene Balse.
Well, alam mo, pag tiningnan mo yung statistics, no, parang it doesn't really reflect yung game na napanood natin in terms of attacks. Army, 19-11. Block, 3-1. Service, patas.
Oo nga naman, ano.
Ang error, 10-3. So, di ba we were talking about it earlier, parang we were curious kung ilang errors itong Army. Obviously, yung errors na negate nga yung offensive attacks nila. So, it was very close hanggang sa end ng match na yon, ng first set, na humabol lang ang Army.
At saka yung nangyari, actually, may parang emotional roller coaster na nangyari. Yung isang team umarangkada, tapos yung isang team biglang bumawi. Gusto ko yung timing ni Gene Balse. Nung umarangkada siya, 5 straight points. Well, early candidate for our best player.
Well, talagang alam natin si Gene Balse is the leader, and pinakita naman yan sa atin, no, towards the end of that first set.
In the meantime, first attack ng Air Force is muffled and they end up being called for 4 touches.
That's right. No, because towards the end, no, their reception was not working. Kaya hindi sila makaset up ng
Good point. That's even a better point.
Tama eh. Diba we were talking about Ortiz not being able to get the ball because they can't set it to her.
Don't forget, here in the Shakey's League, we have only one pizza, and if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Kahapon, pagkataas namin manood ng telecast eh. Nood ko yung mga anak ko meron ako ng super card eh.
Ah, really?
Anak ko, puro lalaki anak ko.
Biglang nabuhay ang Army, no, towards the end of the first set.
Pinasala.
Pati digging nila working.
Samantala, the direct opposite is happening to the Air Force.
That's right. And I was actually talking to Coach Mac nung end. Parang bumigay na rin sila eh.
Pinasala is on your picture. Setup ni Di Maculangan. Semana hinampas. Finally, they get the point on the board.
That's right. They need to make Semana work, no?
Lalo na nung dulo, actually. Here we go. 4-1. Casas will load up.
Oh, good dig.
Cross court. Tingnan natin kung Casas will recycle. Malakas ba?
Oo.
Malakas.
It's out. And, you know, Casas has been silent dito sa match na to, no? They need her offensive powers.
Rexona, anti-perspirant deodorant, it won't let you down.
Well, you know, kasi kailangan talaga ang mag-agree yung players.
Oo naman.
Coach can only say so much.
Gusto ko yung coverage natin ng isang araw, sabi ni Coach Roger. Sige, pabayaan nyo yan. Sabi nagsigaw.
Tara.
Semana.
Si Wendy and Semana obviously still has it after so many years.
Yes, indeed. It's Seb, Noreen, and AJ today for your set of games here in the Shakey's League on GMA News TV. In the meantime, that's kept in play. De Ramos loves doing that. And look at this, after that timeout, Air Force getting some points together. Regalo. De Ramos capitalizing on the gift.
Joy Gazelle Casas.
Boy, their parents had the right thing in mind when they called her Gazelle. Oh, this is a free ball. Salak. De Ramos. Chance to score here. Caballero.
Oh, good dig.
Regalo.
Wow, this time, ang Army, they're having problems sa kanilang reception.
Yes, Casas will be serving, hopefully to tie. 5-6 is the score. There's Nunag.
Another service reception woe there.
Abanto. Here goes Caballero. Too much on that one.
A good read para kay Nunag.
You know what smart Maynila did to them was stretch them to 5 sets to test their endurance, actually.
Yeah, but these girls are physically fit, you know. They're always in training. I would see on Facebook.
Just happened to be in Meralco and I saw Coco Wang standing here above everybody else as usual.
Did you think you saw?
No, I was hiding.
You saw a post, a Meralco post.
Oh, they're working hard. I know they're out of the race actually, but they're working hard. 8-6 is the count, and the Army is in command of the match up to this